Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, this is gorgeous, real-life first look at the new design and color of the upcoming foldable Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. In a new blue color, it looks more beautiful. We've seen many leaks and design renders of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, but now we have 3 apparent real-life look images of the new foldable, courtesy of a reliable leaker. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Today, we have the first set of real-life hands-on images of the Galaxy Z Fold 7's retail unit, showing the phone from all angles. A tech insider under the nickname Jukanlosreve on X. The first image shows the alleged Galaxy Z Fold 7 from the back, still sitting in its box. The phone has an awesome deep blue color, possibly one of 3 options for the Samsung Z Fold 7, with this one called Blue Shadow. The front screen is covered with a protective film, pointing to where the SIM tray is. Next is the inner screen, which is also covered by a protective film. We can't tell if Samsung has enlarged the display to around 8 inches, as leaks in this image alone, nor can we see if there is indeed a punch-hole camera on the top right side of the screen, rather than an under-display camera like the last few generations of Z Fold. It's a big deal if Samsung has in fact ditched the in-display camera, as while it'll make the screen look less continuous and futuristic looking, it'll hopefully improve image quality with the Z Fold 7 open by a large margin. Finally, we have a side view, letting us check out more of the blue-colored body, with the SIM tray and a speaker opening clearly visible. In the background, we can see what appears to be the box for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which marks the foldable's cameras. Samsung has teased ultra-quality cameras for the Z Fold 7, so it's not a surprise to see them highlighted on the box. However, it doesn't seem likely that the new Samsung Z Fold will get Ultra as part of its name, in the style of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 will feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and will be available with up to 12 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Samsung will ship the phone with Android 16 out of the box, based One UI 8.0, and offer 7 OS upgrades, and 7 years of security updates to the device. We shouldn't have to wait long to get answers about how exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The company's next Galaxy Unpacked event is happening next week on July 9th, where the Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Watch 8 should launch. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.